Everybody,
Hi.
welcome. Today we have 17 items going out.
17?
17, yeah. So we want to show you exactly what has sold for us. We got a few fun items, so join us.
They're really fun.
This time we have only 3 going out on eBay. Pretty surprising. 5 on Mercari, and Poshmark is the cake winner this time with 9 sales. So pretty awesome. You know, a lot of these, most all of them started off on eBay. So we'll tell you why we love to cross list. We're gonna start off with the eBay. So the first item going out here is, we'll find that in bin I.
Bin I.
And that is a set of 2 vintage 5-pound Gold's Gym barbell weight plates. I probably found these in the Goodwill bins. And we got $26.79 free shipping for those. Now, you think it's probably gonna be heavy, but I know that we can throw these into a padded flat rate envelope for like $8.
Oh.
Yeah. Thanks, buddy. I'm just gonna help us here.
Hi, Elmer.
Oh, yeah, buddy. Mm-hmm.
He's like, please, I need some plush and candy, Daddy.
I don't know, but all we have here are some nice weights. So we will just package these up nicely. We could put them in a slightly larger box, and we should be able to fit these inside for like $8. So,
I would have thought.
yeah, no problem there. And next going out on eBay is $12.74 plus shipping. We got for this lot of 2 Nintendo baseball games, Bases Loaded and RBA Baseball. These are 2 games that I remember playing back in the day myself. And here they are. These are in really great shape. Not a very common, you know, a couple of video games, so lotting them up I think helped to get a few more bucks for it. And next going out is another lot of 2 media items, which are Predator and Predator 2, the Arnold Schwarzenegger movies. And you'll remember us finding these actually in a yard sale video. Make sure to check that one out. I think we picked them up for like maybe $1, you know, for both of them. And they went for $15.99 free shipping. And of course you can send these media mail, so it's only going to be about $4 to ship this anywhere in the United States. And so you'll still make, you know, like $8 or $9 after fees, so not bad.
No.
All right, so let's move on over to Mercari. So one of the sales is going to be upstairs, and we'll go up there later. First one though is an offer that I took today on this vintage He-Man Roboto little action figure. So we'll find that right here. Now, this guy right here was actually in my personal collection. I mean, I opened the package on this guy back in 1987 or something and played with it. It was my toy back in the day, and I just got rid of a lot of things. You know, I just don't need this stuff anymore. So we got $6 for that. Okay, plus shipping. So we're gonna fuel the collection of another He-Man fan, probably the same age as, you know, we are. So, anyways. The next item going out is something that you'll remember us finding in the Valley Village thrifting video. Now, this is a Rip It Adult Original Defense softball mask. Now, I've sold a lot of these used. I've never found one in the package. And we actually took an offer of that for $25. So it was a pretty good sale there. And we'll find that in bin T. Now, again, the protective equipment for sports. We did a show on that not too long ago about reselling sporting goods and how they're almost more of a need than a want. Like if you make the choice for your kids to play sports, you need to buy them equipment. So
it gets expensive.
You know, we love to sell hats, and this one, let's see, it went for $15. So I took an offer on this. It's a NASCAR Martin Truex Jr. Snapback. It's made by New Era, which is pretty cool. So we're gonna find that right here in our hats. Now, we like to store hats in these nice shallow bins to keep them from getting crushed, and also easily to select. I mean, if you're looking for a hat with white mesh, it's very easy to scan and find that white mesh hat in this sort of system there. So here's this hat. It's really nice, actually. It's got a nice American flag on it. Pretty cool. So $15 for that. We'll ship that out. And also, let's see, what else went on Mercari? Oh, this is pretty cool. Michelle, you found a couple of these at a thrift store, which is pretty difficult almost these days. Now we're gonna come over here and check out in our shoe bin. Let's go this way. we had a pair of Nike Air Jordan Retro 3, the cardinal red with white. Now, I remember these shoes like back in the day when they came out in like the adult sizes, of course. Check those out. Oh my gosh, little baby Jordans.
Cutie patootie.
And these did not take long at all to sell.
Oh no.
Cross-listed them over from eBay. I think I had them on eBay for like $33, and we took an offer of $30 here. So on Mercari. So pretty sweet.
So cute.
Yeah. And we got another pair here. Right here.
Oh my gosh.
We think these should sell quick. Another Jordan 1 here.
Oh gosh, I know.
Speaking of Jordan 1s, we got another pair here.
I love this color.
Right.
Oh, it could be for a boy or girl. I love that.
Right. Awesome. So we'll be probably showing you those soon.
Elmer's like, can I sniff it?
Oh, McSniff wants to sniff the shoes, I'm sure.
McSniff sniffs everything.
Absolutely. So we're going to move on to Poshmark. Now, let's see. We're going to have to head back over, actually right behind you, honey, is a box of coffee mugs. Now this sold for $12, and it's a Starbucks Holiday Collection coffee mug with a speckled sort of like gold leaf heart right there. And you'll remember us finding this in Michelle's Attic of Wonders in a short. We did a short, and I think, here, I'm just going to show you.
Couple $100 machine just sitting on here. Look how cute that is. Okay, it's Starbucks. Okay, but look.
Okay, and so yeah, that went for $12. So pretty sweet. Hey, we love selling Starbucks mugs. Look them up when you find them. A lot of them are, we're selling.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Eventually.
Yeah. I mean, you might have to wait for a while, honestly. Coffee mugs, they'll sit there. People have an abundance of coffee mugs in their cupboards. So to add another one, it has to be really special. Now, we're going to come back over this way because we got a few more items. We'll grab these. This next item, you might remember us finding, or actually talking about recently in a live show about small appliance parts. Now, this is an Instant Pot 6-quart pressure cooker, and that actually we found on for free on the side of the road one day. We told you about, and this sold for $10. We got it for free, so hey, what the heck? And we're going to find that. Oh, sorry. We're going to find that in bin Q2, and that's right in the corner down here. It really does pay to part out things like this. I mean, we're going to throw that in a free box from the USPS.
He wishes that was his food bowl.
Right, he would chow that down, no problem. He'd be gone in no time.
Oh, that's Elmer's size.
Oh yeah.
Right, Elmer?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Water too.
Yeah, true.
Okay, so next going out, you're gonna remember us actually finding this in 2 days ago video where we went to Marshall's, and we found these True Religion 8-pack of half cushion crew socks. Now, I believe we may have paid like $8 for them or something, and they sold for $19. That went on Poshmark really fast. I started the listing on eBay and cross-listed via List Perfectly over to Poshmark and Mercari, and these sold within, I don't know, it seemed like a few hours on Poshmark.
Literally. Yeah.
Yes. So we're gonna find that in bin L.
And that was plus shipping?
Plus shipping on Poshmark.
19 plus shipping. The retail arbitrage is so fun. I get so excited when something sells with retail arbitrage. I feel like I'm getting away with something shopping at the store.
Right? Oh, it's just amazing that you can scour the clearance racks and sections for awesome, brands like True Religion here. And
they're beautiful, nice, thick quality. As soon as we saw them, we knew they were special.
Yeah, we'll pick up good brands, and for such an awesome deal, we made a few bucks really quickly. It's pretty sweet. Now here's something that we didn't make a few bucks quickly on, but still made a few dollars. Now this, I found these in the Goodwill bins, I don't know, maybe a couple of years ago, and they went for $21. This is a vintage lot of 5 Casserole bowls that have like Campbell soup, like good written on the side of them. And I thought that was pretty cool. I thought, Casserole, somebody needs these, they got that Corel sound. Let's see, so bin P is where we're gonna find these. Just right down here. So picking these up in the bins, I probably, spent $3 or $4 by weight on these here.
Oh, really?
There we go. I already kind of prepackaged them to
Oh, that's good.
make sure.
That saves time.
Yeah. Not only that, it's gonna, stay intact while it's being stored. So, all right. Next going out on Poshmark. Okay, we got a few more items here, guys. There is a Minnesota Vikings casserole tailgate dish, or like a warmer holder. So this thing, I picked it up in the bins. Once again, there's no glass piece in there. It's just the warmer, but it sold for $15
Again,
on Poshmark.
Parts.
Parts, basically, yes. And we'll find that in bin W. All right, it's right here. Here it is. So somebody's, a Minnesota Vikings football fan is going to bring this to the tailgate party, bring it to the family party,
In style.
on Sunday, right?
In style.
Mm-hmm. Absolutely. Glad to get rid of that. And also going out on Poshmark, surprisingly, now guys, most of these items you wouldn't think would go on Poshmark. You think kind of clothing and shoes and hats and stuff like that, but not vintage Binolux lightweight binoculars. But they did, right? So $13 those went for, and we're gonna find those in bin X.
Well, people on Poshmark, maybe they like to be peeping Toms.
Well, perhaps.
They're scoping out the good deals, hun.
Oh, that's what it is.
Just like Elmer.
That's gotta be what it is. So, these are in pretty good shape. There's a little bit of damage even here, but of course I described that, and somebody still wants to scope out whatever they're scoping out. So, all right. Now, let's see. I think that is about it for down here. So let's head upstairs and see what's up there.
All right. Follow me to the Attic of Wonders. Come on. Hey, Elmer. Come on, buddy. Let's go. All right. The Attic of Wonders. All right.
Okay, so first going out, we're going to go and look in bin, number 285. So we're looking for a
number.
I know, but it's going to be there. We know it.
285.
285. And it is a hot pink frayed mini denim shorts.
Oh, thank you, Lord.
By Hollister.
What did you say?
So
again?
they should be in this bin right here, honey. 285.
285. Oh, okay, got it. Okay.
And we're looking for the hot pink one. Oh, I think I see it.
Oh, I see it. Okay, cool.
Oh, yeah. And
Amen! I found it. No, it's really not that bad. But...
and we got $22 for those. Or, you listed those however long ago.
Last 2 summers ago, I think it had it. The neon colors were a little tough for me to sell, but the right person came along.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. And, yeah, that's something that's going to need the right person for sure.
Yes.
All right, so we're gonna find now. Okay, we sold 2 of these actually, which is really cool because we found these in a sort of rainy barn sale video where we walked into this place and these nice old ladies were just practically giving us stuff.
Yes.
And I think we got a whole box of these for like $1 or something. And 2 of them have sold to the same buyer, and we're gonna find those in bin M. And those are Jessica McClintock Poppy Flowers sunglasses case.
Yes, I remember finding these.
Yeah, so they're in this box right here.
Okay.
In the box here.
Oh, in the box.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I remember finding these and falling in love with them and just thinking, I don't know, there's something like just special about them and happy and such a nice size. So I got a deal on all of them. I can't remember how much or what, like 50 cents, I think.
I think it was $1 for the whole box or something.
Yeah,
honestly.
it was crazy. But these are so cute. And it's a repeat buyer too, I think.
Mm-hmm. Same person bought both of them.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. And we still have 6 left, so we've already made $20 after fees and shipping.
They're universal size, which is why I think that these are special too.
Yeah, for sure. And then we're going to find in bin J. Now, this is something that is so cool, honey, that you found. And
oh, yes!
You got it listed, and it just looks so cool. Definitely one of those things you got to find the right buyer for as well.
I saw this, and I couldn't... Oh, it's down here, okay. I saw this, and I couldn't believe it, and I grabbed it right away because it was so special. Are you gonna show a comp, or we?
Oh, yep, absolutely, yep, always.
Okay. I was gonna say I'll take it out for you guys and show you. It's so cool.
I know, but okay, so we got it on a nice package up there. Sorry about that, but you know, here's the picture. It's a new with tags. By Torrid, yes. Nightmare Before Christmas, lace-up blazer.
And it was just, it's this velvet and another material, so it's like has a texture to it, and there's all the different characters are on it, and Jack, and it has like lace. Oh, you guys. Anyway, I like it.
Oh my gosh, yeah, so cool. And we took an offer of that for $45.
Yeah.
So pretty great deal there. I mean, somebody's gonna really love that. You know, where it's, you know, probably not for like, you know, maybe for Halloween or just any old day of the week.
I thought it would sell around Halloween, but it didn't. I guess this person, you know, has a good sense of fashion.
Right? And last but not least, we have a really cool little machine that we just really didn't like anymore. I don't know. We have a Soda Stream, and we really like that. We thought this sort of would be an upgrade. It was it was refrigerated version of a Soda Stream, but it was just too big. You know, we just like the simplicity of the Soda Stream. So we're getting rid of it. $64 we got for that, and we still have the original box and all that. So we're super grateful to just get rid of that, you know.
It's really cool. It just didn't fit our countertop.
Yeah, it was, you know, it's a pretty big machine. It'd be cool if you're a bachelor.
Yeah, if you have a bar or something, yeah, it's beautiful.
Really cool it would be for, yeah. So we want to say congratulations, guys. When you have a really great day of sales, you're going to ship everything out for all these happy customers. And we can't wait to see you next time, guys.
We'll see you soon.
Yeah, absolutely. Hats off to you.
Bye.